Is your lawnmower clogging up with grass, leaving uneven cuts, or not discharging clippings properly? That's a strong sign your rear discharge assembly might be damaged or worn out. Welcome to WholeToolBox. The rear discharge assembly is constantly exposed to wet grass, dirt, and debris. And over time, this buildup can block airflow, while impacts from stones or hard objects may crack or bend the assembly, leading to poor grass discharge, frequent clogging, and reduced cutting efficiency, which ultimately makes your mower work harder than it should. It is located at the rear section of the mower deck, just beneath the discharge flap, and connects directly to the deck opening where clippings exit. This component guides grass clippings out of the mower, while maintaining proper airflow, helping ensure smooth operation and consistent cutting performance. For this repair, you'll need a socket wrench or nut driver, a screwdriver, and safety gloves. Always disconnect the spark plug first to ensure safety. Grasp the rubber boot at the front or side of the engine and pull it firmly off the spark plug. Then lift the rear flap and remove the mounting bolts or screws holding the damaged assembly in place. Carefully take out the old part and position the new assembly in the same location, making sure it aligns correctly with the mounting holes. Secure it firmly, ensuring everything is properly fitted with no loose components before lowering the flap. After installation, reconnect the spark plug and test the mower by running it briefly. The grass should discharge smoothly and evenly without clogging or buildup. If the mower operates normally with proper airflow and clean cutting performance, the replacement has been successful. For trusted lawn mower replacement parts and maintenance essentials, click the link provided in the description below to visit WholeToolBox. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to follow us on social media. Thanks for watching.